Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a Madras vegetable sandwich. For this, for the Madras sandwich, you're going to need our green chutney with coconut, butter, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, cucumbers. This is chaat masala, which is a tangy kind of spice which is added to give tanginess, and of course bread. Okay, so we're going to start off with a little soft butter. Apply generous butter on this, and then we're going to use our green chutney, which is made with coconut, which is on the YouTube channel too. Okay, to this we're going to add the potatoes, okay, some onions. Now these onions are not that spicy. I'm going to add generous amount of chaat masala. They put a different masala or on their sandwiches there. Then again put generous amount of this chutney, which is fabulous with coconut. Spread it evenly right here. Then put it on top. Now you're going to add some butter on the top. Okay, now again add your tomatoes and cucumbers. Again. Okay, now all you do is cut the edges and the key of this is not to toast the bread. It has to be a soft kind of bread, and there's a kind of finger sandwiches, so you should be able to eat in one bite. Okay, all you do is gently cut it. Okay, so the fantastic Madras sandwich is ready. It's so easy to make. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!